In this video, we're going to review how to take stats during a game. First, a brief introduction. You'll need to set up a season. One person pays for that season and everyone else gets to access it for free. A season is up to 6 months long, can have 5 teams, each team with 25 games. If you're a subscriber, those limits are effectively endless. To set up a season and a team, see our video on team setup. There's a link in the description. Team data is protected by usernames and passwords. Only people explicitly given access can see your team's data. The app uses roles to control certain responsibilities. On the home screen, see Manage Team Access. Parents and athletes get to view game summaries, player profiles, and season reports. A stats tracker gets the additional ability to enter live game data as well as be the videographer. Access is team-specific. A user can be a coach of one team and a parent on another. Users can search for teams and request access on the homepage under Request Team Access. Access can proactively be granted using email addresses. Before the game, set up a new game if needed. Go to the home screen, select Add Game. Let's set up a game against Ethanos from Greece. Select the season, team, date, time, and the opponent. There are over 2,000 preloaded opponents from around the world. If they're preloaded, their club logo will appear on the scoreboard and on reports. If you have other teams to load, email them to support@customperformance.com and we'll add them to the system. To adjust the roster, from the home screen, select Edit Roster. This allows you to add players, remove players from the game, or change cap numbers. Let's remove Dexter and save the roster. Select Enter Game Stats. The app will remember previously selected season and team. As the game's about to begin, make sure the cap numbers are correct. Caps break or go missing. If you need to adjust a cap number now or during the game, press and hold the cap number to change it. Changes made from the stats screen will only appear for this game. Similarly, there are some special plays in water polo when a field player might be a goalie, like a 7-on-6. Press and hold the player name and make them the goalie. Again, changes will only appear for this game. You can also change them back. I want to draw your attention to the quarters, Q1 to Q4, overtime, and shootout if needed. For this video, we will stick with quarter 1. This little arrow will collapse the header and give you more screen to enter stats. It will also auto-collapse as you enter data. Let's quickly run through the columns. We'll start with the Offense tab. You can always press the question mark for help and hints. Goal. A quick press of this button counts a regular goal. The minus removes it. With the square buttons, you can press and hold to get more detail. Most coaches will want additional details. Let's press and hold the goal button. Was the goal a 6-on-5 or 5-meter penalty? If it was a regular goal, where did the field player shoot from? Let's say it was from the perimeter top with an assist. The assist means a little bit different to different teams. Check with your coach on what they expect. My rule is who passed the ball to the scoring player, assuming the pass had something to do with the scoring. For example, if a player gets fouled outside 6 meter and scores, it would not have an assist. If a goal is passed the length of the pool as part of a counterattack and the player scores, the goalie would get an assist. Missed on and missed off target also might have different meanings to coaches. Check with your coach for consistency across games. For me, I use hockey rules. The goalie needs to save it or field block to be on target. If the shot is post out or bar out, the goalie didn't need to be there. It's off target. Harsh. Ejection earned. Your player got an opponent's player ejected. Your team is now on a 6-on-5. 5-meter earned. Your player earned a 5-meter penalty shot. Ejection suffered. This has a square press and hold button. A normal press will give you a normal ejection. You'll see the row turns yellow. A second press, it will turn orange, and a third, red. In that case, the player would be rolled. Let's go to another player and press and hold on the ejection suffered. It brings up ejection types like misconduct, brutality, or exclusions, or a carryover from a previous game. Let's give them a brutality. Possession end is a way to track offensive errors. Press and hold to show bad pass, ball under, ball stolen, general unforced error, and so on. Coaches love this data. Now to the Defense tab. You can see our ejection information is consistent across tabs. Field block. Goalies can't field block. That cell is empty. Those are considered saves. Steals end the opponent's possession. We can press and hold the steal button to see things like recovered shot, goalie poach, set D, intercepted ball, ball under. Steal is essentially, other than a save or a goal against, if a player earned control, how did your team gain control of the ball? We covered the middle columns already. Let's move to the goalie columns. Goal against, hopefully you never have to use this column, but in the event your opponent scores on your team, press and hold it to indicate if the goal is a 5-meter, man down, or where the goal was shot from. Similarly with save, enter the specifics to help your goalie and defense improve. Why is there a goal column on the defense tab? Water Polo is quick. It's for those buzzer beaters. It saves the stats taker from needing to switch tabs during quick goals. Our final tab is swim-offs, and it's where you'll actually start during a game. We're on the Q1 swim-off. Select the player taking the swim-off on your team. Did they win, lose, or go to a jump ball? Jump balls might be taken from different players. When the quarter ends, advance to the next quarter. A few quick bonus items. In the top right corner, after a game, you can lock the game so people don't or can't change the stats. You can also click the graph to jump to the game summary screen for this particular game. On the game summary screen, you can review the game and share PDF reports. If you have any feedback, reach out to us at customperformance.com. Thank you for using the Water Polo Team Stats app. We'll see you on deck.